Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're comparing two powerful 3D creation tools, Blender and Cinema 4D. Though both are remarkable in their own right, we'll focus on why many creators choose Blender over Cinema 4D. So buckle up because we're jumping into 10 reasons why Blender is superior to Cinema 4D. Number 1, it's free to use. First up, and perhaps the most enticing reason, is cost. Blender is absolutely free to use, whereas Cinema 4D, while providing a free lite version, charges a hefty amount for its full-featured version. For hobbyists, students, or small studios, Blender provides a cost-effective solution without compromising on features. Number 2, open source advantage. Blender's open source nature is another major advantage. This means its source code is available to all, which fosters innovation and rapid improvements. The Blender community is constantly developing new features and fixing bugs, leading to frequent updates that Cinema 4D's proprietary model can't quite match. Number 3, all-in-one solution. Thirdly, Blender is an all-in-one solution. It's not just a 3D modeling software. You can sculpt, animate, simulate, render, composite, and even edit your videos within Blender itself. Cinema 4D, while strong in animation and simulation, often requires additional software for complete workflows. Number 4, superior sculpting tools. For those interested in digital sculpting, Blender's tools are often considered superior to those of Cinema 4D. Blender's sculpting feels more intuitive, with advanced features like dynamic topology and better brush customization. Number 5, game creation. The fifth reason is Blender's game engine. While it's no Unity or Unreal, Blender provides basic game creation tools. Cinema 4D lacks this feature altogether, so for those interested in dabbling in game design, Blender provides an entry point. Number 6, node-based material and compositing system. Sixth on our list is Blender's node-based material and compositing system, which gives users far more control and flexibility compared to Cinema 4D's layer-based system. This enables more complex and realistic materials and effects. Number 7, grease pencil. Blender's unique grease pencil feature lets you create 2D animations in a 3D space, a functionality Cinema 4D doesn't possess. This opens up a world of new possibilities for animators and illustrators alike. Number 8, VR support. The eighth reason is VR support. Blender's latest versions have integrated VR support, allowing users to navigate and even sculpt in a VR environment. Well, I rummaged around Google and couldn't find any evidence of Cinema 4D supporting VR, not yet anyway. Number 9, extensive online community and learning resources. Next up is the Blender community. It's vast and very active. There are tons of free online resources, tutorials, and forums available for Blender users. While Cinema 4D also has a supportive community, the sheer magnitude and diversity of resources for Blender users is just astounding. Lastly, we have Blender's customizability and flexibility. You can tailor its interface and tools to suit your workflow, even coding your own tools with Python if you like. While Cinema 4D is customizable to an extent, Blender offers a level of flexibility that really lets you make the software your own. And that's our top 10 reasons why Blender is a powerful alternative to Cinema 4D. Remember, the best tool really depends on your needs and preferences. Don't hesitate to experiment and find what fits best for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, if you want to buy me a coffee, feel free to leave a small super thanks. It helps the channel a lot. Until next time, keep creating.